Here we are, Poole's Garage. Comfortable area to hang out while you're getting your car fixed. Got Wi-Fi here, Luann. Free Wi-Fi. Bring your laptops, TV. Nice and comfortable couch for you to sit on while you're hanging out.
And if we want, we can always have the shop dog.
And here's the shop mascot, Otis. Right, buddy?
Say yep.
Yay!
Say hello, everybody.
I don't fix the car, I just greet people.
Great job, Otis. He's just sitting right there.
This is Poole's Garage, Knightdale, North Carolina.
And this is Larry. Larry is our service manager. If you have any problems, when you call, you'll be speaking to Larry. He is very knowledgeable, and we love our technicians.
Poole's Garage. Come on down and see us.